Hello and welcome back for another dose of green cleaning tips. I'm grateful to see you here again and cannot wait to share more exciting eco-friendly cleaning methods with you. I'd really appreciate if you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. This helps our channel grow and provide you with even more useful content. In today's episode, we are looking at lemon, the fresh cleaning master. Lemon is a natural wonder. This yellow goodie is not only a wonderful fruit to have around to add flavor to your water or cocktails, but is also a great addition to your cooking. Lemon zest is a superb addition to many homemade cakes. While the juice is always a welcome addition to many dishes. Still, the flavor qualities of lemon are not what we're here to talk about. It is the cleaning prowess of lemon that matters the most to us. It possesses amazing antibacterial properties and a lovely scent. Why would you ever resort to commercial deodorizers when you have lemons around? That fruit can make your home smell fresh in no time at all. The acidic content of the juice makes it suitable for large variety of cleaning tasks. We'd like to present a few examples. Cleaning copper pans. Slice a lemon in half, dip it in a salt and scrub the pans to perfection. Clean plastic containers. A little lemon juice mixed with baking soda does wonderful plastic containers. It also removes unpleasant odors. We don't have any plastic containers left in our house as we don't use them anymore, but this is just a little tip for people that still using them. Make your own cleaning solution. Combine lemon peels with vinegar and let it marinate for a few days. Remove the peels and use the solution to sanitize the kitchen and the bathroom areas. Sanitize the chopping board. A slice of lemon makes a nice chopping board sanitizer. Rub it on the surface along with some baking soda for added scoring power. In the future, we will explore even more cleaning options with lemon because it's such a wonderful solution. We are firm believers that when life gives you lemons, you can use them to clean your home to perfection. Don't forget to check in with my channel again as I continue to provide you with the best eco-friendly cleaning tips. We love eco.